Hi everyone, today I will be going over Quizlet. Some of you might be familiar with it. I think I started using it way back in high school, which feels like a long time ago now. But Quizlet's used as a study tool, so you can make flashcards, play games. It's just a way to study for a test or assessment, or I guess refresh the content if you wanted to. So this is our fact page. The cost of Quizlet is free to use. It can be used for personal use, and the teacher can also utilize this platform to help work with students, creating a class group, creating a certain stack of flashcards for the students to go over, just giving students a resource for studying. There is an option to upgrade for more guidance. This can be for personal use and for teachers as well. The specific cost is $47.88 per year, so $47.88. It's just a very specific number, but it does give you access to expert explanations, a learning assistant, advanced creation toolkit, and also focus tools. So the official description of this is that Quizlet is a multinational American company which creates and designs tools used for studying and learning. Quizlet's primary products include digital flashcards, matching games, practice electronic assessments, and live quizzes. I wrote that it's similar to Kahoot, just that it gives, quizzes, and it's a little bit different, but it does have a quiz platform on it. Students can design their own tools and have access to tools the teacher creates. So the types of students that will benefit from this resource is students who have a hard time developing their own test prep, and they can learn from fellow classmates as well as utilize the tools within the design classroom portal to study for content and assessments. They can also see how their peers are studying, so the flashcards that their peers are designing, or they can also see the model that the teacher is providing. This technology resource can be utilized to assist with students studying for assessment or just the overall content. It can also aid instruction by allowing the students more opportunities to interact with the content, and it has an interactive and engaging element that the students can have fun and work together on some of these things. So I'm going to model this, what it's going to look like when you get to the, nope, we're not done yet, but I'm going to show what it looks like when you get to the site. So this is Quizlet. This is what it looks like. This is what you would come to. So learn it, own it, Quizlet. 90% of students who use Quizlet report higher grades. Explanations you can trust. Obviously, they're going to be promoting it on their own site. So this is what it'll look like. You can log in. The login looks like this. So you would log in, or you can sign up. So you would put your birthday, your username, your password. I have already logged in, so I'm going to log in, but you can also do it with your Gmail or Facebook account. So I'm going to log in with Facebook. Hopefully it will let me, but my computer has been testing me today. Let me move my head up here. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm looking at. I'm not blocking anything, but this is what it'll look like when you open. So it gives access to the different cards or stacks that I've interacted with over the years. As you can see, it's a lot of special education stacks, just to brush up on my understanding of it, and also to help with a couple assignments, let's be real. So this is over here, that's my little icon. It shows the profile, progress, just the different things that you would go to for an actual account. But I'm going to show you what it looks like if you wanted to upgrade. It is not letting me do this. Let's see if I can get over here. I did it on the main page. Basically at the bottom you'll see like an upgrade option, or you can click there, upgrade free 7-day trial. Yes, I am a teacher. You can go there. Here, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so you can go to upgrades, and that'll give you the $47.88 option. And this is what it offers you. It offers expert explanations. It gives you a learning assistant. It gives you the advanced creation toolkit. It gives you focus tools. and it's $47.88, and then it's the same price for teachers as well, but I'll show you what that looks like too. And then we'll just kind of look at some of the features it has. So taking your student success to the next level, personalized instruction made easy, captivate students in and out of the classroom, save time on lesson materials, and then this is where you would upgrade, add teacher superpowers. So you can do it, you can keep it on the free version, but as a teacher you do have an opportunity to make it more engaging. Again, it's $47.88. Multiple choice options, tracking student progress, adapting Quizlet Live, organizing classrooms, removes the ads, but just an option, but there is an option to just keep it free as well. But I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So here's where you'd create, you'd go up here, it's a drop down, you can do a study set, a folder, a class, but here's where you search content. So say we search Disneyland, and it'll show you all the different sets with Disneyland in it. Granted, as with all anything online, you have people from all walks of life. You never know what's going to be on here. You got to be careful. You would want to like preview some of the stuff that you're having your kids go to, but just I've never found anything overly bad. But again, it is an online platform, so you just want to be careful. I opened this earlier just to see it, but this is Disneyland, different facts about Disneyland. So churros, what are churros? You click on the flashcard. What is Disneyland's favorite food or most famous food? So it has, you can click on these to reverse 5. How many lands were originally there? So, and also you don't know if these are true. That's why you kind of want to make your own and you want to keep your class private. And but it does offer an opportunity to see some different flashcards. You have flashcards. You have learn. Learn is an upgraded feature. You can write in the answer. You can spell. That's an accessibility feature because it's a verbal. You listen to it, and then there's a test. And then the fun thing is there's also games. So you can match the definition and the term, or you can do gravity, which is actually, I think, the most fun out of the two. So protecting the planets from incoming asteroids. Basically, you want to type in or select the answer before it gets to the bottom. But yeah, that's just a fun way to engage the kids and have fun learning the different things. But hopefully that was informative for you. It's been a long week, but have a great rest of your semester. Only a couple days left, and a great fall semester as well if you have one. Thank you.